Here's how to fix if the send later option is missing in iPhone messages. Now, let's first just open up the Messages app here, and I'll show you some examples on why it works. Now, you can, for instance, just tap on a person here, and you can see the blue bubbles indicating this other person has an iPhone as well. I can always send later just by tapping on the little plus right next to where the blinking cursor is. Now, you'll be able to see if I swipe down, you can see send later. Now, I can say hi or happy birthday or something like that I want to send the next day. I can always tap on today at 5 p.m. and choose up to 2 weeks in advance. So it lets you choose up to 2 weeks. Well, actually, it looks like they have extended that since initially releasing it. You can send something all the way up until almost a year from now. But essentially, you can schedule it for the exact time and date. Now, if this doesn't show up, there are a couple different reasons. One is if you hop into a conversation with someone that doesn't have an iPhone. So you can see the green text message bubbles now. I can tap on the little plus, and it doesn't have the send later option. For whatever reason, your iPhone hasn't built in, or Apple hasn't built in that send later option for people that don't have an iPhone. So essentially, if you're texting with someone with an Android or any other device besides an iPhone, then you cannot do the send later. But also, if you tap on your own name here and tap on the little plus, it won't pop up either. So again, for whatever reason, you can't send yourself a text message in the future. It just doesn't pop up. Now, if you're sending someone as a text message and they have an iPhone and it's still not showing up, I would recommend hopping into your settings here. We'll tap on General and Software Update. Now, keep in mind, this is only a feature that was released in iOS 18 or later. You can see here, iOS 18.2 is the current build of the iOS operating system, so just update to the latest version if you haven't already. Now, if that doesn't necessarily work, let's just go back here. We'll scroll down to the very bottom and we'll hit the shutdown button. Now, you'd be surprised how many times just turning off your phone and rebooting it fixes a lot of bugs and glitches on your iPhone. Keep in mind, it might have been running for days or weeks without a proper shutdown and reboot. So do that, and then the last thing I would recommend doing is hitting transfer or reset iPhone. Now, let's just choose reset. And on here, we're going to choose reset network settings. So resetting the network settings a lot of times fixes issues with sending and receiving those text messages and having the option to be able to send them later. Just hit reset and it will bring all those settings back to factory default. And then you should be good to go. It should be working after that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.